Okay, today's Tuesday, and here is our outdoor unit. Everything runs under the deck to a fucking gas meter, so we have to redo all that. We have to drill a hole now, run it along the side, put a junction box there, run it over here with the disconnect, because all that's all jacked up. So the outdoor will be a lot of fun. So down here shouldn't be too bad. It's old furnace. Of course, the one thing they have that I fucking hate is when they have it one gas line going to the water heater and then the furnace. It's just, it should always be separate, in my opinion. The one thing that really sucks is people are lazy. This comes down, and it literally comes down to just a boot. Like not even not a boot, an elbow. Like just for ductwork. So that is definitely not getting enough return air. Luckily I saw that in the pictures before I left. So I have a boot with a filter, a 1-inch filter, 16 by 25 on it. So that should help with that. I'll probably have to run out for smoke pipe. I don't think I have a 4 to 5 reducer. But other than that, that's not too bad. There's nowhere for me to really put the phone, and I'm gonna have another guy working on top of me in a small closet. So it won't be time-lapsed, which I don't know if people even care or if it's time-lapsed or not. I just thought it was something cool, but I'll do the play-by-play like I did on some other ones every time we get something out or move something. So other than that, we'll get started. Okay, we got the boot on the new furnace. Old one's out. Should just go right to that, and then we'll have to cut that, make a transition. But we have to put a fucking outlet in because they just had it wired straight in because they suck. Yeah, fun stuff. So we're slowly but surely getting there. Just fucking sweating. Alright, well, we got the return done, I got the drain done, I got the gas done. Still gotta fuck with the metal on top of the unit, smoke pipe. Harry is doing the brazing. He ran outside to get a couple things. I gotta do the electrical. Once the guy comes back with the other electrical crap, because I don't have the box for the GFI and all that. Need a pump because I can't run it into the floor anymore because they really don't want that. But so yep, just waiting on all that. I'm just laying on the comfortable floor here as I wait. There he is. So he's gonna braze that all in. What a fucking shot. All right, we're all done. The unit is running. We just tested the heat. The vacuum on the outdoor should be done any minute now. Got the boot in there, got the filter in there, got the pump. Just gotta wait for the AC to run, then we'll put some water in it to go from there. Flue pipes go out on an angle over there. We got the electrical box coming down. The metal, which was really, really stupid, but I did what I could do. Got all the safeties in. So yeah, doing pretty good. So I'll have to just go outside, take a look at the outdoor, which the electrical came out better than I thought. And I think everybody would agree. It looks like 1000% better.